Okay, good day viewers. Well, I need a 150 ohm resistor. That's what Alex 993 CC1 used to protect his gate. So the tie that negative to the battery. Then positive. Well, the resistor actually goes on here to gate to touch the anode, so it protect the SCR, otherwise the SCR would go pop. I should have forgot to mention, I realised after I made the last video, damn, I should have mentioned resistors. Alright, now find me a good decent 150 ohm resistor to put with this, and I can start soldering the wires on this one. Alright, I got a 15 watt 150 ohm resistor. Came out of a vintage Mitsubishi TV, and a push button switch. Quite a nice heavy duty one. So I'm going to solder onto this SCR, so that will go through the resistor, the gate through the resistor to the switch to positive, and negative will go from there through the bank and tie to the negative of the battery. Alright, positive also 12 volts to go through the gate to turn the SCR on. Okay, viewers, got the battery there. I'm going to hook the positive up. Positive in through my switch, through the resistor to gate. Cathode goes to the negative of the capacitor bank, and it's going to have a bit that bolts on and goes the positive through my workpiece to the capacitor bank. I've got 12 volts charged in that capacitor bank. So if I touch the SCR's anode to positive, so just short it out basically, it should discharge. So positive, fire, yep, it worked, it discharged. Obviously the SCR turns off when the bank's completely dead, so I'm going to put all this little resistor and switch module into an enclosure. So I'll find something to bolt on here. I can clamp my workpiece between this and the positive of the bank to stop from wanting to pop. So there you go, it worked quite well. Alright. Viewers, I think I've nailed it now. Final plan is a negative through SCR. The original negative lead is going through that SCR. My workpiece goes into that lead, and between that and the positive, which I'll piss this bloody chicken stick off, have a clamp on that between here and the positive. My workpiece will be in there. So you can see I made a little clamp, and that clamps on my SCR. Left a little bit hanging off so I can positive to the battery to get the SCR to gate to anode to turn it on. What I've done, via a long set of leads, a detonate button. Pop a heavy duty button. It's at least it's about 3/4 of a metre long, so I'm at a safe distance and I can just press that button and detonate it. The gate resistor's in there, bolts down quite nicely. Through the switch, through the resistor, the gate. Perfect. My detonate button. Alright, now to piss this chicken stick off, I don't need that anymore. Okay, viewers, I'll just get this set up as my finished product. Battery goes up through the switch. Basically how I set it up. Positive up through the switch. Switch goes through the resistor. Resistor goes through to the gate. Then the anode is connected through here, so my whatever I want to pop completes the circuit to the anode, and the ground goes to the capacitor bank. So the ground for the battery is on the negative of the capacitor bank. The SCR is getting its power through the negative bar of the bank to the cathode. Bank's charged to 1.3 volts. I just turn this transformer on, charge it to roughly 20.24 volts DC. Hey cat. Right, I'll get this, turn the transformer off, and we can find something we can discharge into. Find that little blue light, but I might just short it out, actually it's only 20 volts. Alright, I'll just get the camera down here. A little detonation box in a safe distance. I can detonate this at a safe distance now, so turn the transformer off. I'll short these two out. 3, 2, 1, done. Detonated. Simple as that. It's just I didn't have any, couldn't find my bloody small wiring loom, so I decided to make some of the surplus wires I had laying around. They were sitting in the corner, there was just nothing but a big tangled mess, so might as well put those wires to some use. Worked out quite well there. So I can be safely behind the camera, hit the detonate button and blow stuff up. Because the way I had it before was just very, very crude, and yeah, couldn't get a good connection. Obviously, there's no circuit, so the SCR won't work, there's nothing there to discharge into. Might put a small load on that. If I put my little halogen light, H4, can't find where it went. I won't pop anything just yet there because I've got visitors, and they might get the crap scared out of them. Till the visitors go, I'll do some popping, that way I won't get some crap scared out of them. I'll find something decent to put on there as a load. Okay, viewers, let's press the detonate button. Charger off. Charger back on. Back's charged. Power off. There we go, it's discharging. Yeah, obviously not enough current in the bank at that voltage to get that lot. I do nothing. There we go. Bank went up to 1.5 volts. I press the detonate button and the SCR's discharge it back down to 0.7 volts. Cool, it's pretty sensitive then. Alright, turn that on. Yeah, it's quite happy obviously. It's got a nice design heatsink to it. The glass is still smoking. Yeah, it's pulled it back down at 16 volts, acting as a filter. Definitely works. Okay. Alright. That works quite well. Okay, viewers, this will be part 1. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.